The East Zimbabwe Conference has, by the grace of God, come up with a number of development projects that seek mainly to build infrastructure. Now, these projects are already underway, building schools, churches, and clinics. We are already on a journey to build Waterfalls Secondary School, Revelation of Hope Primary School, and Eastview both primary and secondary school. We are also building Tafara Church, Zengeza South, and also Himalaya Clinic.
Hello saints in East Zimbabwe Conference. This video serves as a reminder of our great day, the 30th of June. It is a collection day towards our infrastructure development. Guess what? Here is the formula. Our membership stands at 200,000. And if only each and every member can give $1, guess what? By December, we'll have raised 1.2 million. This will take us far because we want to build schools, clinics, and churches. So come on, join me. I've already started.
In this edition, we featured Waterfalls Secondary, which is already under construction. Our vision for the schools is to provide quality Christian education in order to help our young people as they are trained for service in this world and in the world to come. Our hope and prayer is that as we serve together, we may help others along the way.